This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
In my previous session, I have explained the concept of enterprise asset management and what are the different sub modules need to be understand to understand the full package of solution in EAM, enterprise asset management. So here, when we were discussing the EAM, we came to know the process of asset lifecycle management, which was explained, which was described starting from design until the disposal of asset, or let's say understanding the need of investment to operate or to go for any asset from that point of time to till disposal of asset. So when we are going to implement this entire life cycle of asset management, there are some modules, there are modules, okay, in SAP project system which we need to understand, like plant maintenance. Okay, this is the major area which we need to understand to understand the complete cycle of EM or asset management. So when we are going to work in plant maintenance, first of all, we need to understand the org structure. So most of the org structure object has to be defined in different modules, but in SAP plant maintenance also, we need to define the org structure and we need to assign it. Okay, so there are two steps there in the org structure. First, we need to create an org structure. Then we need to assign that object to other object. Okay, so this is a standard way. So how we can define, okay, that is part of the configuration. But before going forward to understand that creation of org structure and assignment, we need to understand what are the different objects need to be configured. The first thing is here maintenance plant, okay, and second is a maintenance planning plant. These are the two things which we need to configure in configuration plant maintenance node. Okay, so first is a maintenance plant. What is maintenance plant? Okay, the maintenance plant at which the operational system of a company are installed. Okay, for example, let's say one manufacturing unit is there. Okay, and so maintenance has to happen on that manufacturing unit, right? So exactly, let's say if I'm saying this manufacturing unit, let's say plant code is 1100. Okay, in that case, this 1100 maintenance plant is my maintenance plant. Okay, where exactly maintenance is going to happen, or where my system is already installed. So it means like wherever it is installed, definitely the maintenance will happen there, right? It will not be like somewhere we are installing and we are doing maintenance at other place, right? So maintenance plant is that plant where exactly my system is installed and maintenance need to be done. Okay, and there is a maintenance planning plant. Maintenance planning plant where exactly where we are doing the planning for maintenance. Okay, this may be the same plant or this may be different plant. For example, my manufacturing unit, the plant code is 1100. The same can be considered as a maintenance planning plant, or I can do like there is a other maintenance plant, let's say 1300, where I can keep a maintenance planning plant which is being used to plan the maintenance for 1100 and 1300 both. So this we used to call it as a maintenance planning plant, where exactly my organization unit in which maintenance requirement are planned. So where exactly the maintenance strategy, maintenance planning need to be done. Okay, so if you see here, this is the org structure. First is a general organization unit. Okay, so these are the let's say in first point, the client will be there. Within that, controlling area will be there. We will have the company code which will be assigned to the controlling area, and we will have plant. Okay, that is my logistic plant, and this plant will be assigned to company code. So the same plant which is my logistic plant, that can be considered as maintenance plant. Okay, so here location based organization unit, where maintenance plant will have location and it will have maintenance work center. So maintenance work center is nothing, it's just craft. It is a group of people, group of workers who are going to work on this maintenance. Okay, we used to call it as a maintenance work center. So maintenance work center means like the people where they are going to work on the maintenance, to perform the maintenance, right? So in that case, this will be within the maintenance plant, not under the maintenance planning plant. This is the things which we need to remember here. Right? Main work center will remain within the maintenance plant. Okay. Another is a planning plant, where planning has to be done. So here the maintenance plant will have further subunit called maintenance planner group, where the group will decide how exactly we need to perform the maintenance to my maintenance plant. Okay, so this is very important here. So when we are defining the main work center under the maintenance plant, we can assign the org structure. Okay, this will help us to find out the personal number. Personal number means like the users who are defined, who are available in this organization unit, and that can be assigned to my work center. Okay, so here in S4 HANA, this is happening through business partner. Okay, this is a cross component, and this business partner directly can be associated with your SAP user ID. So these are the things which we need to understand. But as a as a plant maintenance consultant, we need to just configure the maintenance plan and the maintenance planning plan into organization structure. All these things, the responsibility will remain under different consultant. Okay. Yeah. So this is one of example to understand the plant specific planning and cross plant planning. Okay. Plant specific plant planning means it is a maintenance plan is equal to maintenance planning plan. So where my maintenance is going to happen, my planning will also happen in same plant. Okay. In cross plant, where my maintenance plant is different and planning plant is different, that will be managed from different planning plant. Okay. So maintenance plant will have work center, and maintenance planning plant will have planner group. Okay, that we need to understand here. Thank you.